And today we're getting the cement Massetto foundation slab board. We have the electrosaldata, this welded steel mesh on the ground. And they've started pouring cement. They're mixing earth and sand with cement. The mixer. Here are the bags of cement. Here's a small mountain to get through. For it to get mixed. And then they come down and plop it here. We just added this new column that got welded to this other steel I-beam so that we have a little bit more support. And they're making the mix a bit liquidy, so as it comes in, at least for the first layer. Oh, let's see. Un video. That's it right there. I think it's gonna be a 2-day job. We spent many days with the jackhammer breaking this ground down. It used to be up to the level of the white, but it was very short. I was hitting my head on this door because it's very low. So we went down quite a bit and we're gonna build back up, but it's gonna be enough space so that I can pass through without bashing my head against the cement. That'll be good. Okay, we'll check back in when it's further along.